Hi everybody, it's Andrea from Service Department in Sanremo Coffee Machine headquarters. Today I'm gonna introduce you our newcomer on the market, U-Machine Single Group Pad Semi-Professional Machine. When you will receive the U-Machine, you will receive the dip tray placed in this position purely for transport reasons. So what you have to do is to move forward the dip tray. I'm gonna unscrew this couple of nuts. And bring forward. Let's turn on the machine by just clicking the switch underneath the machine, and at the beginning for sure the machine will return you an error since actually the tank is empty. So what you should do is just refill with water the back tank. In the home page you will find the date, the clock, then here you have the echo icon, user menu, recipe menu, maintenance, alert and alarm list. On the left corner you will find the brew temperature, and on the right one you will have the steam pressure. On the lower side, three different programmable buttons, purge and manual one.